I got 2 more glue ups to do. First I place them on here. Double check my pattern. That one's got turned over. There we go. There we go. Flip them all the same direction. Got my Titebond 3. Make sure I've got my gut sucked in while the camera's focusing on my belly. Can't find my glue spreader, so I've been using this putty knife. Ooh, not as good at this left-handed. Don't want to skimp on the glue. A lot of the videos I edit, I cut out a lot of the steps where I might apply some extra glue, and so it makes it seem like it was really quick, but I tell you, better to have a little extra squeeze out, use plenty of glue, than to risk a loose joint later. There we go. Got quite a bit of working time. I don't have to rush. But the closer I get these now, the less work it'll be. These are pretty much perfectly cut. So as long as the outside edges line up, the pattern should line up. It's going to move a little bit when I put the clamps on, so it doesn't have to be perfect right now. Finagling this around the tripod is the hardest part of the job. Alright, get this laid over and get these straightened back up again. I generally try and set this up so that the outer 2 parts of these, I don't know what you call them, but the outer 2 spreading parts line up with the outside edge of the block. I think one of these days I'm going to screw these down to this work table, and then these will stay perfectly aligned. All right, let's get these spaced out again. Now I'm a little more worried about just getting them right. I can feel with my fingers how close they are, and my fingertips, your fingertips, are actually more accurate than most tape measures, so getting that feel right is a pretty good gauge. Oh, that one's sticking out a little. Looks good. Looks almost perfect. First pin helps to lift this up just a little bit. There we go. There we go. Put in a little spacer to protect the finished pieces of wood from getting dented on these pins. Put these pins back 1. You want the entire piece of work to be underneath the bar, so you get the full benefit of the clamps holding it down. If they're too far this way, they won't be held down the same amount. Okay. One last triple check on the spacing. Now that they're just snugged up. Alright. And then try and press I try to put the last pressure down evenly so that the it doesn't twist. Nice and snug. There you go. And if I can tell that I really need a third clamp, I'll take one of these cheapies and put it down the middle. If I can tell that I got a little more glue up on the outer edges than the middle, and I remember I've visually seen that perhaps there was a little bit of a bow. Sometimes it happens when I flip the pieces or something. Just one extra clamp down the middle. I don't know if I really need it, but I feel better with it in there. There you go. Nice even glue up. SpeTool clamps, awesome.